kosher, that's a hot dog you can trust. Hebrew Natural.
I did try to lose weight on my own. I couldn't do it by myself. I needed help. I'm Evie, and I lost 28 pounds on Nutrisystem. Now I'm healthy, and I'm in the best shape I've been in my entire life.
Now you can eat the foods you love and still lose weight with Nutrisystem and save up to 50%.
I knew Nutrisystem was working the very first week when I stepped on that scale and I saw results.
Nutrisystem is based on the proven science of the glycemic index, which helps you feel fuller longer.
It's easy, it's convenient, it comes to your door, it's that simple.
Choose 4 fantastic meals a day for less than $11.
This year was the first summer I went to the pool with my kids and I was able to not be self-conscious.
Millions have lost weight on Nutrisystem. You can too, and save up to 50%.
It works. Nutrisystem works.
Call 888-446-BIG and save up to 50%. Gotta tell you about this. Hospital's using a new weapon to fight infection, and the name is Neil. That's right. Take a look at this. This robot can actually disinfect a hospital room using thousands of pulses of ultraviolet light. The CDC is saying that 1 out of every 20 patients will contract an infection in the hospital. Gee, that's good news. And the makers of Neil hope to change all that. One hospital near Denver testing Neil says they've already seen an improvement in infection rates. But this robot, of course, comes with a price tag, a little bit steep. It's a whopping $125,000.
It's too bad because I would be for that. If you have a hospital, put that thing in my room to get rid of the germs.
Better yet, just stay away from hospitals altogether.
And I like it. And there is the thought for the day, folks. Keep it right here at Fox News. We've got more brilliance coming on.
That's going to do it for us. Thanks for being with us over the course of the last couple of hours, and we hope you have a wonderful and safe and happy Labor Day.
I did all of that. America Live starts right now. Bye-bye. Thanks, guys. We have a Fox News alert to start this hour. Less than an hour from now, the president will be meeting with senators, including John McCain, Lindsey Graham, and other key lawmakers at the White House. And they're going to discuss his decision on Syria, a strategy going forward. We're going to bring you the very latest from the meeting as it happens, as well as the additional conference calls with other lawmakers that are expected later today. We also have this Fox News alert on Syria. A U.S. carrier group is on the move, and they're headed toward the eastern Mediterranean, all as the Pentagon tweaks its potential attack plan on targets they know are inside Syria.